morning! Happy Saturday! It's already Saturday and it's the third day after Hurricane Milton hit Florida. Kasi nangyari yung Milton is Wednesday night and it's Saturday. We just got back home kasi nag-evacuate kami. So, we just got home last night, Friday, Saturday.
I got miners.
Okay. Saturday, and good thing, Lord, thank you. Walang nangyari dito sa condo, walang nangyari sa bahay. Pero, wala kaming power. Almost Pinellas County. Under kami sa Pinellas County. So, siguro, almost sa Florida siguro, na natamaan ng bagyo, walang power. Siguro mga estimated 5 million ng mga household walang power. And isa na kami doon. But good thing, walang nangyari dito sa bahay. Pagdating namin, oh, thank you Lord. Walang damage. Wala lahat. Pero grabe yung nangyari dito sa may Clearwater banda. Yung mga mobile homes. Ano siya? Mobile homes is like, yung mga bahay na gawa siya ng mga trailer. So, wala siyang pundasyon. Yung mga wala ng mga bubong.
Mama, look at my minder.
Sobrang
Look at my minder.
Yo. You did that? Grabe, sobrang sira. Tapos, yung mga puno nagtumbahan. Kahit sobrang lalaki ng mga puno, tumbahan lahat. Yung yung fence namin dito, yung fence dito sa village, sa Woodside Village namin ng condo. Oh, some of it sira. And ito yung ito yung likod ng bahay namin. Okay. Ito lang yung nangyari. Mga dahon lang. Good thing, yung mga gulay ko, itong alugbati, mga tanim ko, hindi na sila kasi tinabi ko siya. Nilagay ko siya under sa roof. So, hindi siya naanuhan ng Pero yung mga puno, yung mga branches ng mga puno doon, tanggal. Kaming power. Dito kami natulog sa sala. Kasi sobrang init sa kwarto. And then, di kami makakapagluto kasi wala kaming power. Yung gamit namin na pagluto is electric stove, right? Kasi yun mostly dito sa Amerika. Pero hindi kami makakapagluto. And then yung mga gasoline stations, lahat out of gas. Wala kang minsan lang siguro makabili ng gas pag makadeliver na yung truck nila ng gas. Fuel tank nila. But grabe yung linya. Sobrang taas sa mga linya.
You're red hottie.
Kahit doon, doon kami sa siguro Tampa or malayo-layo pa siya sa Tampa. Dumaan kami kahapon pa uwi. Close yung gasoline station. Wala kami. Pero good thing, bumili kami ng parang lalagyan siya ng ng gasolina dun sa pinuntahan namin, inistayhan namin. Bumili kami dun ng gasolina. Tapos mura pa, 2.95. Yeah, 2.95 lang. Bumili kami. Siguro yung laman nun is mga 5 gallons or 3 gallons. At least meron. Hindi ko alam kailan ito mababalik yung may mga gasolina. Siguro yung expected ng power na makabalik sa dito is Tuesday night. Not sure. Kasi nung bagyong Helen, din kami, mga almost 4 days, din kami walang power, with 3 days. Yun. Yung mga hotels dito malapit sa puno lahat. Ay nako, nagkakagawan pa ng mga gasolina. Tapos yung mga stores, walang mga tindang like, yung mga nasa fridge na mga tinda, wala lahat. Sobrang sad. Pero good thing wala nangyari. Oh my God! Feel ko binagyo tong bahay. Sobrang. Ito, feel ko binagyo. Ito lang yung nagbabagyo sa bahay. Itong dalawang to. Na! Ha!
Mama. Mama. You do it,
Let's
Dad.
put it back. Tinaas ko siya kasi baka magbaha. Mabuta ng pala. Dito to sa baba.
I found one, Mama.
So, I'll put it back. Yes?
Found one.
You found one?
Yeah.
Give it to Mama.
I still need to rear it.
Who needs to drill it first?
Yeah, there's a rock there.
Oh,
A big,
yeah.
big rock. There's a big, big rock there. I still need to
Big
rear
rocks?
it. With my soul.
Excuse me, Austin. Excuse me, Austin. So, pinatong namin tong dalawang speaker namin. Para nga hindi maabutan ng tubig in case. So, let's just put it back. Anyway, Christian is at work already. They need a helper there. And since on duty siya dapat today. So, he went to work. So, we are the only one here. The three of us. But let's go. We can do it. What are you doing? Are you getting all the pan by yourself? Did you give Kuya a pan? Huh? Or no? Kuya pan?
Mama, let's finish it.
Doing there, guys? What are you doing there, guys?
Oh, look at my minder. Look at my minder.
Where did you get that mind?
I make it.
I mean, who told? Where did you heard about that?
On the cell phone.
Where did you learn it? There's a lot of things I need to do.
I need some friends.
I'm the only one here, no one helping me. That's why we don't have Alexa. Kaning mga bata, ani, grabe kalat. Look at the kalat you did.
I'm not.
Oh my God. All the drawers and then put it here. So let's put it back.
Why did you move all the drawers?
Because it might flood.
Flood? No flooding.
Yeah.
I'm gonna help you with that. I can help you with that.
Okay, go, come on.
I'm 4 years old. I can help you with that.
Up.
Okay. Mama, get this.
Just put it there first.
Here, Mama, get it with your other hand.
Okay. Austin, here. Oh my God. Look up nila. Let's draw a smiley face. Oy! Smile. Where are you going? Robbie.